Spring is in the air and real estate markets, they're warming up. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. More homes on the market in communities throughout the East Bay gave buyers a lot more choices compared with the beginning of the year and a few more choices compared with last March. Motivated home buyers helped push up prices compared with this point last year. Home sales continued to accelerate as we moved into the spring, and compared to last March, we're only slightly down. Time to get local. Let's check out the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Compared with last March, more choices for buyers in Berkeley, Oakland, and San Leandro. Prices up almost everywhere. Newark more than 1.44 and Union City more than 1.5, both up more than 20%. Sales down almost everywhere compared to last March. Hayward, 38 sold, down more than 50%. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale. Mixed. More on the market in El Cerrito, El Sobrante, and Richmond. Prices mixed. El Sobrante dropped to $725, Richmond up to more than $756. Sales mostly down. Pinole and San Pablo both down more than 50%. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale mostly down. Pleasant Hill 10 for sale down more than 50%. Prices up everywhere. Martinez more than $900,000 and Pleasant Hill more than $1.1, both up 20% or more. Sales down everywhere. Clayton, Martinez, Pleasant Hill all down at least 20% compared with last March. Next up, Lafayette, Moraga, and Orinda. Homes for sale down everywhere. Moraga, 4 homes on the market. Prices mixed. Lafayette up 16%, more than $2 million. Moraga down to 1.9. Sales mixed. Lafayette 22 sold, up more than 50%. Orinda down 16 sold. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale down everywhere. Pleasanton 24 on the market and San Ramon 15, both down more than 40%. Prices up almost everywhere. Alamo more than 2.9 and Dublin more than 1.8, both up almost 30%. Sales mixed. Danville down 35%. Pleasanton 41 sold, up almost 30%. Let's close in the Delta. Homes for sale mixed. Oakley up more than 20% with 48 for sale, while Pittsburgh 36 down. Prices mostly up. Brentwood up to 805 while Oakley down to 645. Sales down everywhere. Brentwood and Oakley both down more than 35% compared with last March. One more thought, and yes, it's about days on market. March 2023, homes on the market an average of 26 days. March 2024, 19 days. Yep, it's definitely getting warmer. We'll see you next month.